Greetings everyone and welcome to the Essentially Chef Bee YouTube channel. I am Chef Bee and I'm so happy that you all are here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Just wanted to take a moment to tell you all about our new hydration challenges coming up on May 1st to the 30th. During that 30-day period, you'll learn why it's so important to bring water into your diet every single day. In addition to that challenge, on this page, you can look forward to content from our past cooking shows, our cooking demos, our Healing Me First live podcasts, and also our masterclasses. All content is centered around you living a healthy, plant-based lifestyle. So make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications just so that you can learn when we have a new video. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoy our content. You guys take care, and I'm looking forward to seeing you during the hydration challenge. Peace.